Hi, my name is Muhammad Afzal and my partner's name is Bhupinder Danda. For this class, the project we chose is on deepfake and how it works. So, first of all, what is deepfake? Deepfake are the most prominent form of what is being called synthetic media, images, sound, videos that appear to have been created through traditional means, but that have in fact been constructed by complex software. Nowadays, we see a lot of things on the internet, whether it would be images, voice recordings, or videos. Some of them can be manipulated by other people to make people believe something that they want others to believe in. So this is why we chose deepfake. One of the things that we want to look at is how deepfake works. Here are some examples. For example, Tom Cruise is in the original picture, but somebody using a software made him look like somebody else. In this video, this picture is taken from a video where Simon is talking, but somebody using deepfake changed his face to a matching person. So how does deepfake work? So an image is taken, extracted from the original image, and that image is then processed in something called deep neural network, a technique from the domain of machine learning and artificial intelligence where a matching face is found. DNN is really good at finding matching images. When it finds a matching image, it then inserts that onto the original image. So similarly, like changing faces, people can change the audio also. Like for example, in this picture I have, there is an example of a video. In the original video, the author is saying, "I love the smell of napalm in the morning," whereas somebody using deep learning changed it to something else. And now in the edited video, the author is saying, "I love the smell of French toast in the morning," whereas the original guy never said it. So here is my partner who is going to explain how the code works.
Hey, this is Bhupinder, and I will be introducing the coding part of our project. So our project will take two pictures and output the results if both pictures have the same face in the pictures. So let's test this code. So before you run this code, you need to have these libraries installed in your machine. If you have this library already installed in your machine, you can just run our code easily. So let's type this command python similarity, and the third argument is gonna be the picture. Let's say we're gonna choose picture pic.jpeg, and the fourth argument we're gonna pass the second picture. So we're gonna choose the picture of Cena.jpg. So let me show you the picture beforehand. The first picture is of this person and the second picture is of this person, and as you can see, these pictures are not similar. So our project should output these are not similar. So we set the threshold to 0.5. If the pictures are fake, the score should be higher than 0.5. If they are same, then the threshold should be lower than 0.5. Let's see for these two pictures. So as you can see, both pictures are not similar with score of 0.7670. So this means these are not similar. If it is same, if the both pictures are similar, then the threshold score should be less than 0.5. So in this example, we compare two pictures of both person. Let's say if you want to compare it with the car. So here's a picture of car. If you want to compare this picture, let's say we're going to compare this picture with this person. So the output should be there's no human face in the picture, because we want to compare the face in this project. Let's compare this. Run this command, and picture one is of that person, and the other one we're going to choose a picture of a car. So car.jpeg, and we're going to run this command, and the output should be there's no face in the picture. As you can see, the one picture is of a car and the other is of a person. So as you can see, the results car.jpeg is not a valid picture because there is no human face in it. That's what we are doing in this project. If both pictures have the same person, then a project will tell if those pictures are similar or not. Thank you so much.
So as my partner explained how our program works, some of the uses of deepfake can be very beneficial. For example, everybody nowadays likes to buy things online, so consumers can virtually try on cosmetics, eyeglasses, hairstyles, and clothes before committing to it. Face and body swap making changes to a face, replacing it with someone else's face or body can be done also. There is an app called Face App. Using Face App's aging filter, picture of you can be shown from how you would look like decades from now when you're older. Deepfakes can also be used for other things, for example, damaging reputation, defraud the public. There are many negative ways that deepfake can be used. So overall, the conclusion is deepfake can be used for positive and negative things. Also, it can used for to manipulate the content of media, entertainment, marketing, and even education. In the positive ways, it can be used to market products, which can be very beneficial for consumers to try, especially in this pandemic when it is hard for people to go out. Deepfake, you, the things used and produced by deepfake using the techniques of AI can generate fake content, but which is highly believable. So deepfake is one of the areas that everybody should look into, rather than believing everything that's in the media on the internet nowadays. People should really look into deepfake and try to see if that content makes sense. So overall, the conclusion of this project is that we wanted our fellow students to learn about deepfake or at least have an understanding of what deepfake means and how it can manipulate other things. And the basic gist of what deepfake is and how it works in a very simple word. Obviously, in this small project, we only shed light on few things, but I'm sure that other students can search many things on internet about deepfake and learn a lot more about deepfake. That's pretty much it. Thank you so much.